Welcome everyone to our new YouTube channel Cyber Radar. Today we are going to discuss how you can claim the latest GoDaddy offer. 8 in domain for 1 year at a very low price of Rs 99. First, go to GoDaddy and create a new account because this offer is only valid for new customers. After creating the account, search for your desired domain name. If it is available, click Add to Cart. After that, open the cart and select the 1 year plan. Then it will ask you to enter your personal details. Fill in all the details and click continue. After that, you will see that the domain is available for Rs 99 for 1 year. No coupon code is needed. It will be applied automatically. Complete the checkout and make it yours. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, put your purchased domain name in the comments.